Double-hung windows Des Allemands are a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our window installation warranty in Des Allemands ensures peace of mind, guaranteeing quality and durability for every project. Des Allemands window experts specialize in installing double-hung windows Des Allemands with precision, providing custom window solutions tailored to your specific needs and ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Energy-efficient windows Des Allemands are essential for reducing energy costs and enhancing home comfort. Many homeowners choose double-hung windows Des Allemands for their ability to improve airflow while maintaining excellent insulation. Our window replacement services in Des Allemands offer a wide range of energy-efficient options, including double-hung windows Des Allemands, designed to boost thermal performance and lower utility bills. Window replacement experts in Des Allemands are ready to tackle any issue, from window frame replacement to window glass replacement. Our residential window services include comprehensive window maintenance services for double-hung windows Des Allemands, ensuring long-lasting performance. Des Allemands window replacement services help keep double-hung windows Des Allemands functional, secure, and visually appealing. Custom windows in Des Allemands, LA, provide homeowners with unique design options to enhance their home's curb appeal. Our window design consultation services help you choose the perfect window style options for your home. Des Allemands window design experts are here to guide you through the process, ensuring a seamless experience. Window sealing services in Des Allemands, LA, are crucial for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Proper sealing is especially important for double-hung windows Des Allemands to reduce air leakage and maintain indoor comfort. Our window sealing Des Allemands LA services focus on weatherproofing double-hung windows Des Allemands, protecting your home from harsh outdoor elements. Window screen installation in Des Allemands provides an added layer of protection against insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. Our Des Allemands window screens are designed to fit perfectly and enhance your home's functionality. Window cleaning services in Des Allemands, LA, keep your windows sparkling and clear, improving both appearance and performance. Window hardware replacement in Des Allemands ensures that all components of your windows function smoothly and safely. Our Des Allemands window hardware services include repairs and replacements specifically designed for double-hung windows Des Allemands. Window sash replacement in Des Allemands is also available to restore the performance and appearance of aging double-hung windows Des Allemands. Window measurement services in Des Allemands are essential for ensuring a perfect fit during installation. Our Des Allemands window measurement experts provide accurate measurements to guarantee a seamless installation process. Window fitting experts in Des Allemands ensure that your new windows are installed correctly and securely. Window safety features in Des Allemands are designed to protect your home and family. Our window safety Des Allemands services include the installation of locks, guards, and other safety enhancements. Noise reduction windows in Des Allemands help create a peaceful indoor environment by minimizing external noise.